All right, well today we're going to meet someone new here. You guys may have seen her on YouTube. She does have a YouTube channel, Curious Carly. So we're hanging out here with Carly. Let's say hello. Hey Carly, how's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Very good. Thank you for inviting us into your camp.
Yeah.
You got a very nice spot here. So let's talk about what you're doing here. It seems like you're like one of these van life people.
I guess so.
All right. How long you been doing it?
Over 2.5 years.
Okay, and you're rolling in this Dodge here.
Yeah, a 1993 Dodge Ram van.
Ram van. It looks like you've got the high top there.
Yeah, and I can stand up in it. But
Nice.
It's like a 5'3" clearance.
Perfect. That works out good for you.
Mm-hmm.
And you've put a little work into this. I think we met probably,
2 years ago?
2 years ago? Slab City maybe?
Slab City,
Yeah.
probably, yeah.
Awesome. So what's your deal on the road? You got into this for what reason?
It was a way I could solo adventure.
Right on.
Yeah, I'd been trying to do trips with other people and they kept falling through, so
Okay.
I saw the van life as an opportunity to go out on my own, inexpensively.
Yeah. And you're obviously not retired, so how are you able to have so much free time in that and travel?
Savings from the beginning were like my first 8 months on the road. I was off of savings, and then I got a job in the Conservation Corps, which is something that younger people can do. And then I've worked for friends and family as like disability aids and things like that. And then I'll be working as a camp host this summer.
Okay. Is that the first time you're going to be a camp host?
Yes.
Awesome. You excited?
Yeah.
Very cool. Okay, and if I remember correctly, you have a name for your van?
Yeah. Sherry. It's a Sherry design with the blue and the high top. The conversion to it is Sherry design, so
okay.
I just kept the name
Nice.
Sherry.
I've heard you refer to it as Sherry Baby.
Sherry baby.
All right. Well, do you mind giving us a look at your setup here?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first off, I'm noticing that you've got a portable solar panel here.
Yeah, it's a 100-watt solar panel that it's called Sun Wanderer, but I bought it in person. You can't get them online.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And obviously you've got that hooked up to like a house battery?
Yeah, I've got a 100 amp hour AGM battery right here.
Okay.
And it's just the cheapest one I could find on Amazon. And I've got a 600-watt power inverter.
Okay, see that. Now, what are you using this power for?
I use it to power my laptop,
Mm-hmm.
and then I've got some camera batteries, and then I charge my Jackery off of it during the day so that I can use this at night.
Okay.
And I've got some other little electronics that I use, but mainly I needed the setup for my laptop.
Okay. So you've got pretty low power needs.
Yes.
You're not like running a fridge or anything.
No fridge, no AC, no
Cool.
heater.
So you use a cooler for your foods, or?
Yeah, I've got
Okay.
2 coolers here. This is my drink cooler, and then this one holds dry goods.
Okay.
It's more like a cellar, I guess.
Okay. Because you don't have any ice in there.
No.
Okay. Cool. So you do this pretty simple, which is good. Awesome. Well, you want to give us a little tour of what you got going on here? Oh, look at that. You can stand all the way up. Awesome.
Yep. Got a little room there. So the conversion is this countertop, the flooring, and the bed. And then my dad also redid the cupboards here. And that's why the wood's a little bit different. But he did all of the carpentry work. And then I just helped like paint and stain and things.
Okay. Now, how much of this is the stock conversion setup? This cabinetry and stuff here?
The light wood.
Okay.
And we just changed the doors.
Got it. And this whole overhead lighting thing.
Yep. It's mood lighting. It doesn't really do
Yeah.
anything.
Now, does this open up front here?
Yes.
Okay.
It's
Oh,
got
wow. That's what I want to do on my van. That's cool.
tons of storage. This whole around is where majority of my stuff sits.
Okay.
And here is the kitchen stuff.
Nice.
And then more kitchen stuff up here. This side is just miscellaneous. And
Okay.
in the back I've got jackets and I hold my laptop back here. It goes all the way to the back. There's tons
Very
of
nice.
storage.
Looks like you've got a nice comfy bed here.
Yeah, it's a kid's bunk bed mattress, so it's like 4 inches of foam, and I had it before I got the van and really liked it, so I built the platform, or I had my dad build the platform to fit it, and it fit perfectly because I'm 6 feet across at the widest.
Okay, cool. And how tall are you again?
5'2".
5'2". So that's a benefit in van life.
Yes.
And it looks like you've got some storage space underneath for...
Yep, this is my food bin, that's my creative bin, and then in the back I've got some backpacking things.
Okay.
And there's, I extended the platform that the bed's on so that I could put my clothes on it and my, like, toiletries over there and then more clothes.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Now, how about underneath here? You've got some storage there as well. Looks like you've got some curtains.
It's got the propane to my stove. This holds more dishes and like my medicine drawer.
Yeah.
And then this has jumper cables and tools in it.
Okay.
Just some miscellaneous things. And this is kind of like my sink and drinking water and everything in there. And I hold my extra water down underneath the bed.
Nice. Very simple, clean setup. Like it.
Yeah.
Like the flooring too. Very nice.
Yeah.
So we got to ask the question: how to use the bathroom?
How do I use the bathroom? Well, since I've been recently camping, I can just dig cat holes and follow the leave no trace rules. And when I am not able to do that, I'm usually in towns or near a public restroom. But in dire need, I do have pee bottles and a thing called a pee style so that I don't miss.
Got it. Very cool. Now, how about showering? Do you have a gym membership?
I don't have a gym membership. I usually just find a truck stop to stay at, or YMCAs are sometimes good, so things like that.
Cool. So you figure it out on the road as you go.
Yep.
Very cool. I heard you mention your father helping you with some of this build. What's his opinion of what you're doing?
My parents, they support me a lot in my travels, and this was one of the one of the many things that I had said I wanted to do. So they've been supporting me along the way. I've been traveling since I've been 18. So this was just something that, I don't know, them seeing the van and it being tangible and like knowing what I'm doing. They really like this adventure, I think.
Nice. And of course, you having videos on YouTube, they can probably follow along and know you're okay. And
my mom says she has morning coffee with me.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool. All right. Well, anything else you want to add about the lifestyle, your van setup, anything?
There's a lot of people looking into doing this lifestyle, and it's definitely not easy. So I guess that taking that misnomer out of it, that it's still a difficult lifestyle, and you have to, like, 2.5 years, I'm finally okay with that. I eat things that only can fit my cooler.
Yeah.
But it's not something, and like peeing in a bottle and taking showers less often, those things are like, those aren't easy to deal with at first. But you get used to them.
Kind of part of the adventure lifestyle, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yep, I agree. I think all the trade-offs are worth it. All right, so a little bit more on your van. You mentioned it's a what year Dodge?
It's a 1993 B250 Dodge Ram.
Okay.
And I got it because it was a 318 engine, and I heard that was a bulletproof engine, really good build. I had relatively low miles on it, around 100,000. But in the past few months, I've had some issues with it, and I've, been working on it. And every mechanic I go to says, since of its age, it's going to be troubleshooting the whole time. So that's something to think about, I guess, if you're getting an older rig, is that it's a lot of troubleshooting, and they don't sell parts for every little thing like they would on a newer rig.
Yeah.
So, it's been fun, though, learning all the different parts of my engine.
Yeah. So there's definitely been some challenges as far as that goes, but sounds like you've overcome most of them, and it hasn't stopped you from doing what you're doing.
Yeah, I haven't been broken down on the side of the road, and I haven't lost a tire. Haven't had to do those kind of things yet, which other people tend to do more often, I guess.
Yeah.
So.
And have you had any experiences with, when you're in a situation where your van's not running or you need help, other campers and travelers reaching out to help you?
The first time I killed my battery, I had to ask a guy at the Dunkin' Donuts, and he was very helpful. And since then, I've had to ask just random strangers because I usually kill my battery in parking lots. So I haven't really had travelers. I've helped other travelers.
Okay.
And the one time I recently that I got stuck in a parking lot, I just asked a friend to come visit me, and he was there within a couple hours.
Nice. So you're not ever really totally alone out here.
No, the more people you meet, there's more people to help you out, or you can help out.
Yeah, very cool. Well, if there's anything else you want to add, go ahead and do that. I will mention that Carly does have a YouTube channel again. It's called Curious Carly. I'll leave a link for it in the video description here and flash it up on the screen. Go check her out. I really like Carly's videos because they just seem very real. You do a good job of just showing what it's like out here with no fluff and just a very kind of real, genuine look at this lifestyle.
Yes, I try to do my best at showing the realistic side of it.
All right, well, guys, go ahead and check out Carly at her YouTube channel. Thank you for taking the time, and we'll hope to see you down the road again.
Yeah, see you soon.